In the heart of Katol, a small town 60 kilometers from Nagpur, a dream has blossomed into reality. This is the story of Tirupati International Public School, a beacon of hope and opportunity for our community. Our journey began with a visionary, the late Mr. Krishna Manohar Jaiswal. His dream was bring quality education to the children of Katol right here in their hometown. Today, that legacy lives on nurtured and expanded by his son, our current director.
Seeing young minds flourish here is the greatest tribute that we can add to my grandfather's legacy. We have been working tirelessly to build upon this dream. It's just not a school, it's an institution where we shape the future of our children and our community.
Under the leadership of our director, Tirupati International Public School has grown into a place where learning knows no bounds, where every child is given wings to soar, and where the future of Katol is being shaped, one student at a time. At Tirupati, we believe in nurturing not just minds but hearts and souls. Our philosophy is simple yet powerful. HIGHS. H. Holistic development. I. Inculcating values and tradition. G. Granting love and care. H. Having parental participation. S. Student-centric curriculum. Let's delve deeper into what each of these principles means for your child. Holistic development is at the core of our educational approach. We understand that each child is unique with their own strengths and passions. That's why our curriculum is designed to nurture not just academic excellence but also physical fitness, emotional intelligence, and creative expression. Inculcating values and tradition is our way of ensuring that as our students progress in life, they remain rooted in the rich culture heritage of our nation. We believe that a strong foundation in values is the key to becoming not just successful individuals but also responsible citizens. Granting love and care is more than just a principle, it's a promise. At Tirupati, every child is treated with warmth and understanding. Our teachers are not just educators, they are mentors and guides who nurture each child's potential with patience and care. Having parental participation is crucial in a child's educational journey. We believe in creating a strong partnership between the school and parents. Regular parent-teacher meetings, workshops, and events ensure that you are always involved in your child's growth and progress. Our student-centric curriculum is designed to make learning engaging, interactive, and fun. We understand that each child has a unique learning style, and our teaching methodologies are flexible and enough to cater to these individual needs. Let's hear from our principal about how we bring all these elements together.
We welcome you all in Tirupati International Public School, Katol, academic support by Poddar Curriculum Consultancy, Mumbai. We are not just about textbook and exams. We believe in creating an environment where every child can discover their potential. We have vision to provide all students with the tools and strategies to learn and succeed in global society.
Now, let's take a virtual tour of our campus and explore the world-class facilities that await your child at Tirupati International Public School. Step into our world, where learning comes alive. Our classrooms are vibrant hubs of activity, equipped with smart boards and the latest technology. Here, our dedicated teachers ensure that every child receives the attention they deserve. Our digital classrooms are a window to the world with audio-visual aids and interactive technology. Complex concepts become crystal clear, making learning an immersive and enjoyable experience. But education at Tirupati goes far beyond the classroom walls. Our state-of-the-art computer lab is a gateway to the digital world, preparing our students for the challenges of tomorrow. In our well-equipped science laboratories, theories transform into exciting experiments, igniting curiosity and fostering a love of discovery. For the bookworms and knowledge seekers, our library is a treasure trove of wisdom, with books that cater to every age group and interest. At Tirupati, we believe in the power of healthy mind in a healthy body. Our expensive sports campus is a playground of possibilities. From cricket to kabaddi, from skating to swimming, we have got it all. But that's not all. We understand the importance of holistic development. Our art room is a canvas for creativity, and our yoga session bring balance and mindfulness to our students' lives.
My vision for my school is to create learning environment where all students feel respected and welcome.
For our youngest learners, we have a special focus. Let's hear from our kindergarten head.
Our main motive behind TIPS Kindergarten was to transform the education system so that the kids are imparted education full of life that compiles not only the knowledge part but also lifelong values. We had aimed TIPS Kindergarten to be a trendsetter preschool education in Khartoum, and we have reached to that point. And believe me, we have been receiving overwhelming responses from the parents too.
Safety is our top priority. Our fleet of well-maintained buses equipped with GPS and speed governors ensures that your child's journey to and from school is safe and comfortable. At Tirupati International Public School, we are not just preparing students for exams, we are preparing them for life through our various clubs and co-curricular activities. We are nurturing future leaders, innovators, and responsible citizens. We believe in empowering students beyond classrooms. We enable our students to take pride in Indian culture and values, preparing them to meet the challenges of a changing society. Our morning assemblies provide a platform for every student to develop their speaking skills and boost confidence. We foster team spirit through group activities, nurturing leadership qualities and teaching the art of adjustment. Our Saturdays are special, blending academics with co-curricular activities that help students develop proper body language, overcome stage fear, and enhance their personality traits. To instill humility and empathy, we organize visits to school for special children, orphanages, and the old age homes. We create an environment of healthy competition through inter and intra-school activities and competitions. As the sun sets over Khartoum, the lights in Tirupati International Public School shine bright. Inside, a young girl finishes her science project, her eyes sparkling with newfound knowledge. In the playground, a boy scores his first goal, his teammates cheering him on. And in the library, a group of friends huddle over a book, lost in a world of imagination. This is the heartbeat of our Tirupati International Public School. It's more than just a place of learning, it's where curiosity is nurtured, friendships are forged, and dreams take flight. To the parents of Cartool, we extend an invitation. Come, walk through our corridors, feel the energy of young minds at work, see the pride in our teachers' eyes as they guide the next generation. This is the future of Cartool, unfolding before us. Your child's journey is unique, filled with potential waiting to discovered. At Tirupati, we are ready to their companion on this adventure. Together, we will unlock their talents, fuel their passions, and prepare them for a world of possibilities.
हमारे जो स्वर्गीय पिताजी कृष्णमोहन जी जायसवाल, इन्होंने सोचा क्यों ना ये जो हफ्ते को परेशानी, कार्टून के बच्चों को परेशानी नहीं होना चाहिए करके एक अच्छा स्कूल खोला उन्होंने, जिसमें स्विमिंग टैंक, स्केटिंग ग्राउंड, पूरा टीचर स्टाफ भी हमारा नागपुर का है। और ऐसा नहीं कि नागपुर का, वो भी एक अच्छे स्कूल से हम टीचर्स हायर किए, और जिसका नतीजा यही है कि पहले साल ही हमारा टॉपर बच्चा हमारे कार्टून नरखे तहसील में हमारे स्कूल का टॉपर बच्चा आया। उसके अगले साल 100% रिजल्ट हमारे स्कूल का आया। तीसरे साल भी हमारा 100% रिजल्ट हमारे स्कूल का आया, और मैं दावे से कहता हूँ ये बार भी 100% रिजल्ट हमारे स्कूल का आएगा।
हमारे बाबा की हमेशा एक इच्छा रही है कि काटोल में ऐसा कुछ किया जाए कि जो एजुकेशन के दुनिया में यादगार हो जाए। आज हमारे पापा हमारे बीच नहीं रहे, लेकिन हमने उनकी जो भी इच्छा है वो हमने अभी पूरी करने की हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Tirupati International Public School isn't just in Cartool, it's for Cartool. It's our community's stepping stone to a brighter tomorrow. So, let's take this step together. Welcome to Tirupati International Public School. Welcome home.